Hello everyone, it's Mike Lazar here, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to continue our Byzantine notation series. Now we are on lesson 9, where we are going to be talking about notes that are combination characters, meaning they use more than one note on a platform. In this case, the platform is going to be the oligon. Now, the nice thing about this chapter is that we don't have to learn any new characters. These are simply going to be stuff we know from before. So here, the oligon is going to act as a chair. We can ignore the oligon. So all this is going to be ni son, ni, and then 1. Pa. So here, it would, if we had a sentence, it was just this, and then this. It would be ni, pa. That's all it is. Now here, we have something that says go up 2 consecutively. What does this mean? Well, instead of jumping, ni vo, we would do ni pa vo, and this character does the same thing. However, there's a few things we have to be careful about. This is going to be an oligon with candimata. The oligon is not a chair here. The oligon actually counts. But here's the thing. You might be asking to yourself, what's the difference between these two? Well, here it is. The note on the bottom comes first, meaning that the note here that comes first is the oligon. The candimata comes on top. And this becomes important when we talk about adding gorgon to these in a little bit. So let's just think about it as going up 2 consecutively for now. Let's continue. The apostrophe with candimata goes down 1, then up 1. For example, if I had an ison here, ni, zo, ni. Elephron, down 2, then up 1. Ni, zo, ke, ni, ke, zo. So what happens here is that it goes down 2, then up 1. And there's a character like this for everything. There's a down 3, then up 1, down 4, then up 1, down 7, then up 1. There's everything. Same thing with this. This one goes 2 and up 1. So ni, vura, ni, vura. Right. Now, you will see these a little bit. These ones are the most common ones. I have seen the other ones where it goes down 4, then use that, or down 3, then use that, but it's really not used too much. But these two are the most used ones other than these. Now we have a few things here. When we put a gorgon on these combination characters, we can put it before, but usually, and I'll say 99% of the time, you're going to see it like this. The gorgon is going to come in the candimata. And this is for all of these. This is like the general rule. The gorgon comes in the candimata. So for example here, ni pa ni zo. What happens here? The candimata and the ison are half a beat, and these two apostrophe are half a beat. Right? So let's look at this. Remember how I said the gorgon always comes in the candimata? And I said in this one, the candimata is second, and this one the candimata is first. This means that these two are going to have completely different rhythms from each other, because the way the candimata with the gorgon is placed. So let's look here. If this is ni pa vu pa ni. Why? Well, 1, the ni stays the same. Ni pa vu. So here, ni is 1 beat. Pa vu are half a beat. Pa and ni are going to be whole beats. So the whole thing. Ni pa vu pa ni. Here, the candimata comes first. So it means the candimata on the bottom and the ison are going to become half a beat, while the oligon on top will stay a whole beat. So how does it sound? Ni pa vu pa ni. Versus ni pa vu pa ni, ni, and this will be ni pa vu pa ni. This is a very important distinction to make. So you don't confuse yourself. I highly recommend that you practice this and memorize how they sound. So let's look here. Here we have this exercise. I'm going to do each parlay, and then I want you to repeat. Ni pa ni zo ni. Vu ga di ga vu. Pa vu ga vu pa ni pa. Ni pa vu pa ni zo ni. So the whole thing together. Ni And that's the whole thing. You can feel free to stop in between each phrase if you need help or time to master it. But that's the whole thing for today. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, I would greatly appreciate if you liked and subscribed. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one and have a great day.